Hello, everyone, and welcome. Today, we're securing your connection with PTI King Net, a straightforward VPN for your Android device. We'll walk through each step of the setup so you can browse with more privacy and peace of mind. Let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. In the search bar, type PTI King Net and tap Install. Give it a few moments to download and install. Once installed, open the PTI King Net app. You should see a button labeled Update. Tap this button to ensure the app has the latest server list and configurations. On the next screen, select Online Update. This will connect to the PTI King Net servers and download the most recent updates. Wait for the update to finish completely. After the update has finished, tap the Location option. This allows you to select which server you want to connect through. On the server selection screen, I recommend choosing Auto Server. This lets the app automatically pick the best server for your location, providing optimal performance. Next, you can also choose your specific country. If applicable, you might see Ethiopia as an option, or you can select your own country from the list. You'll likely see an option to add time. Tapping this usually allows you to extend your connection time by watching a short advertisement. Finally, tap the Start button to initiate the VPN connection. If prompted, you'll need to allow VPN permission. This is a standard Android security measure, and you'll need to grant this permission for PTI King Net to function correctly. Once the connection is established, you should see a connected white heavy check mark message, indicating that you are now browsing securely through the PTI King Net VPN. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully set up PTI King Net on your Android device. Remember to use VPNs responsibly and ethically. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more tips on staying safe and secure online.